From the orchards to the factory floor, the journey of a peach is a masterpiece of nature, engineering, and precision. Every summer morning begins with rows of trees glowing under the rising sun, and the peaches, perfectly ripe, ready for harvest. Trucks roll through the dusty orchard paths, filled to the brim with crates of fruit. Workers guide each load carefully, making sure the peaches remain unbruised, preserving the quality of every piece headed for the plant. As the convoy approaches the facility, the modern processing plant stands tall. Stainless steel, glass, and technology ready to transform fresh fruit into one of the world's most iconic canned foods. As the truck gates swing open, crates slide into place, and peaches tumble gently into the first stage of their transformation. Water channels carry them like a river of color, yellow, orange, hints of red. The factory doors open automatically, and with each step inside, the hum of machinery grows. This is where engineering meets agriculture, and where the real journey begins. Inside the sorting hall, technicians stand behind glowing screens, monitoring every number, every temperature, every belt. It feels like a control center, a place where human experience and digital precision merge. Conveyor belts move in perfect alignment as peaches glide under bright LED lights. Cameras capture every angle, checking for color, ripeness, and imperfections. Workers lift samples under white lamps, comparing softness and texture, ensuring only the finest fruit continues. Robotic arms begin their delicate work with the kind of precision you might expect in a high-end manufacturing plant. The movements are smooth, clean, mechanical, yet almost graceful. Ultra-sharp blades rotate like sculpting tools, peeling and slicing with speed and accuracy. Gears spin with metallic gleam. Pistons rise and fall with mathematical timing. Tiny droplets of juice sparkle in the air as each blade slices through the fruit effortlessly. These aren't just machines, they are engineered symphonies of motion designed for one purpose: consistency. As the fruit enters the inspection tunnel, bright scanner lights flash across each surface. High-speed cameras analyze thousands of frames per second, instantly rejecting any peach with a flaw. Air jets push defective pieces to the side with a puff of force so quick the eye barely sees it happen. The belt continues forward into a corridor of glowing sensors, all working together like a futuristic assembly line straight out of a documentary series. Every peach half that emerges is nearly identical in color, size, and quality. Then the warm aroma shifts. Steam fills the air as peaches enter the syrup stage. Blanching softens the fruit gently, preparing it for its preserved life inside the can. Warm golden syrup flows in smooth, glistening streams. Droplets fall in a hypnotic rhythm. Canks bubble softly, casting warm reflections onto the peach surfaces. Cans glide beneath filling nozzles with perfect timing, each one filled to the same exact level. The combination of fruit and syrup creates that familiar, comforting texture known around the world. Beyond this cozy, warm environment lies the massive logistics heart of the plant. Here, conveyors weave through the warehouse like miniature railways, branching off like train tracks. Automated guided vehicles glide across the floor, changing lanes with intelligent precision. Forklifts move in almost choreographed motion, lifting pallets and navigating narrow aisles with the grace of locomotives. The rhythm of the warehouse is unmistakable, structured, predictable, and endlessly efficient. In the shipping area, the scene resembles a high-end automotive manufacturing line. Robotic arms lift boxes with sleek mechanical ease. AGVs drive beneath towering shelves like autonomous cars on a silent highway. Chrome reflections flash off mechanical joints. Cartons slide into place with soft thuds as machines prepare them for transport. Everything about this space feels engineered, optimized, refined, like a car factory transformed into a food production marvel. Inside another wing of the facility, the atmosphere shifts again. The iconic "how it's made" aesthetic appears. Gears turning, metal rods rolling, pistons pumping. Macro shots reveal intricate movements, tiny mechanical details that are usually invisible to the human eye. Conveyor belts shimmer under studio-style lighting as peach halves roll in straight, satisfying lines. Transitions between machines happen with clean clicks and rhythmic pulses. Beyond the intros, the deeper stages of food production emerge. Syrup nozzles release perfect droplets. Sensors adjust can positions with quiet precision. Lids rattle gently as they prepare for sealing. Each motion is smooth, carefully timed, and deeply satisfying to watch. The metal belts carry fruit forward with the tranquility of a river, and every drop of syrup catches the warm glow of overhead lamps. In a different corner of the plant, the chocolate division runs side by side with the fruit lines. Melted chocolate pours in silky streams. Bars cool on metal conveyors in perfect formation. Thick chocolate folds into itself, creating mesmerizing patterns. Rotating paddles stir the mixture with creamy, hypnotic motion. Cooling tunnels reveal rows of bars emerging with a glossy, flawless finish. Not far away, cookie dough drops onto trays with a rhythmic plop. Nozzles swirl before releasing each perfect portion. Trays slide toward the ovens under warm bakery lighting. Rows of dough align neatly in satisfying patterns. Machines adjust spacing with tiny, precise movements. The air fills with the soft glow of golden pastry tones. Returning to the peach line, the journey begins where it all started, at the harvest. Trucks unload crates, releasing clouds of warm orchard dust. Workers stack boxes with practiced efficiency. Peaches tumble from crates in slow motion, catching the sunlight just before they enter the washing system. Drone shots reveal rows of trucks approaching, unloading one by one, like a constant flow from the fields to the factory. Inside the wash area, high-pressure sprays strike the peaches, removing leaves, dust, and debris. Soft brushes rotate gently, cleaning each fruit with care. Water cascades across the belts, droplets scattering like tiny diamonds. Workers inspect fruit manually, making sure the machine's decisions remain trustworthy. Clean peaches shimmer under bright lights before heading to the next stage. Peeling and slicing follow with intense but beautiful precision. Rotating blades shave off skin in smooth spirals. Peach halves drop into slicing cups with soft, repetitive sounds. Machines spin at incredible speeds, yet every movement is controlled. Juices glisten as blades glide through fruit. Overhead views show synchronized slicers operating like a well-rehearsed dance. The fruit then returns to warmth, steam, syrup, and gentle heat. Syrup ripples and waves over the peaches. Steam droplets gather and roll across fruit surfaces. Stainless pipes guide golden liquid into a constant, smooth flow. Cans rotate beneath syrup jets, receiving their final ingredient before sealing. Every peach half settles softly into its syrup bath. Finally, the canning and sealing stage transforms everything into the product we recognize. Lids drop into place with rhythmic taps. The sealing wheel spins, locking each can with a crisp metallic snap. Rows of finished cans glide forward, steaming gently from residual heat. The final conveyor carries them toward packaging, ready to ship across the world. From tree to can, every moment is a blend of art, science, and engineering. A journey powered by nature, perfected by technology, and shared with people everywhere. This is how peaches are transformed into the canned classics.